Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video of learning Dart, we are going to understand the use of type test operator. This is a new kind of operator available in Dart. So how to use it? So here I say 14 type test dot Dart. So here void main again, and here suppose I have int variable of num of 10 type and I want to test it whether it is integer or not. So I say num1 is int. Here num1 is int because it's a always true condition. It's generating an error here. So I can put it where here to this, and here I say print. I say num1 is int. Num1 is int type like this. Okay. You see unnecessary type check, the result is always true. It's saying, but we are going to use this is, what is the use of this? So I say dart run type check. You see num1 is int type. If I say it is a string, you see, and I say else also because it would not print anything, and I say here this is not string type. Remember here, and I run it. And you see this is not a string type. But if I say here not, remember that num1 is not a string. If it is not a string, then you have to execute this. If it is string, then execute this. Remember that. So I run it again and you will see that it say first num1 is int type, but it is an int type. Why? Because we have selected here int. So I just reverse the condition. So if it is not a string, then execute this. If it is a string, then we have to execute this one. Remember that? So I say this is a string like this. If I put here where now like this is an integer type. I run it, it's a int type. But if I say Dr. Vipin, so now it is string type. I run it and you will see this is string type. So you can use is or is not type test operator like this, as I have explained you in this video. It depends on you now whether you want to use it or not, but it used like this. Is or is not type test operator in Dart programming language. I think you understand now how to use is or is not type test operator in Dart. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.